In this video, I am going to show you how to hire a graphic designer in an easy way. If you want to hire a graphic designer, you can sign up for a freelance site that is called Fiverr. I have given a link in the description of this video. You can get good amount of discount by clicking on the link and using the coupon code in the description of this video. So let's get started. Once you sign up to this Fiverr, you can simply hover your mouse in graphic and design and you can choose any of the clickable words that you want to hire. For example, if you want to hire graphics for streamer, you can click on here and you can check the gigs that are available. Now if you want to purchase any, if you want to hire any freelancer to do the graphic designing work for you, you can simply come here and you can click on continue and order. You can see their basic plan and the functionality or the services that they provide you. Simply you can see on standard plan, you can see on premium plan. Okay, similarly if you want to talk to any freelancer for the graphic designing purpose, you can simply scroll down and click on contact me and you can chat with them. So firstly, you just sign up to the Fiverr and search for any graphic designer and then make sure to click on online sellers so that you can receive you can see the freelancer that are online right now. Okay, and so that you can talk to them. This is one way to hire a graphic designer by clicking any clickable words that are available at here. Simply you can search here for graphic designer according to your need. Okay, whatever your need is, you can search here. And the second method is you can simply click on the icon, this icon, and click on the post a request. You can type your requirement. I am looking for this type of graphic designer with this quality and can do this kind of work. You can type up to 2500 word, or you can also attach some file, word file or any kind of file image you can attach here, and you can click on this drop down box and click on graphic and design, and in subcategory you can select any of these, whichever relates to the need that you have. Similarly you can select the timeline that you want delivery. It is from 24 hours to whatever days that you want. Similarly, in case of budget, fix the budget that you are willing to pay and then click on submit request. Once you do that, then it will go to the pending pending verification, and once it is verified, then you will start to receive the message like this, and once you click on that, and you will receive the offer. Okay, so once you receive the offer, let's say for example, once you receive the offer, let's say you want to purchase any gig that is being offered to you in this message, then you can simply click on continue. Okay, or you can again go read their description and contact with them firstly and make sure about everything and then make order. Similarly you can see the reviews. This particular logo designer have 22,672 5-star reviews, so obviously is nice. Here you can see their comments. Okay, in this way you can hire a graphic designer in an easy way. This much I wanted to show you in this video. If you haven't liked this video, please do like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer you in the comment section. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.